Oh, here we go. Yes, welcome everyone. Wonderful evening and welcome to day number 22. Day number 22. So, today again, I have come up with a wonderful, beautiful, easy to understand, and beautiful session. Beautiful, magical, magnificent session. Okay. So, yes, before we begin, let me ask you did you apply magnificent outcome? Today, did you apply magnificent outcome somewhere in the morning? So, did you practice? So, how was it for you? So, how has been your day today after applying that magical formula, magical, magnificent outcome? Yes. So, did you apply that formula? Anyone? So,
Yeah, I write.
I
Actually,
just
I
want you to
write it, but
share.
not apply.
You didn't apply?
No, actually, I write only, but not apply.
So right means you wrote yesterday in the session only or in the
No,
morning
no, no.
today.
Morning, you told me. You told me about
Okay.
morning.
Yes. So you didn't apply.
No, I.
Okay, so if you would have applied, you would have seen the magic. And today it has
Ma'am,
been magical for me after applying that formula 3 to 4 times. And everything, like this is the quickest way to see the magic into your life. This is as quick as like you will see magic happening like very soon, very fast. So this practice has that much power. Right. So why didn't you apply? So that's why yesterday also I was repeating again and again, you have to apply, you have to apply, you have to, and you will see the magic because this formula I apply in most of the cases. So whatever you want to see the outcome, yeah, magnificent outcome. I told you yesterday. So yesterday also applied, today also applied. So I told you my husband has to go to that Neem Karoli. So yesterday he went in the morning and today in the evening he came. And today he was showing me that that place is full of traffic jam and all. And yesterday when he went there, so there was no traffic. और उन्होंने मुझे भी बहुत अच्छे से दर्शन कराया, खुद भी कराया. And 6 to 7 people went there with him. So see, because I applied this, I applied. So magnificent, thank you for the magnificent outcome. Wherever he is going, so everywhere it is like very smooth, very beautiful, very nice. So every experience is going to be magical. So this is the way like you can apply this formula for small, small things as well. You know, just now something happened with me. I was looking for a chopper. Chopper जैसे वो chopper. So वो जो भी मेरा जो पुराने वाला था ना, that was not working properly. So in the evening, I got to know. So I was standing in the balcony and I saw there was some people standing, beside that park. So there is this park in my, street at the corner of that street. So some
hmm.
people were gathered, some people were there standing, and I was looking for that. Like, what is this happening? What is this happening? What is this happening? So two people known to me were passing in the street. So I said, what is happening there? So they people called me and I went there. So I got the chopper as a gift. They people were giving the chopper as a gift, and you could book that 3 services of the maid as well by paying only 100 rupees. In 100 rupees, 3 services of the maid for 3 hours. Anything like she can do for you. So that kind of thing, like that is also what I'm trying to tell you is that is gift, because in the morning I applied some formulas of magnificent outcome, that this is going to be magical for me. The days my husband will be reaching home very safely, or very everything will be like super duper awesome. He will be explaining me what happened there. So how was the experience? So it happened exactly the same like what I was, seeing in that when I was applying that formula. So if you also apply, so I told you, you have to apply and you have to try this. This is tried and tested technique, guys. Tried and tested many, many times. It's not 1 or 2 times. So I told you,
Ma'am,
somebody will gift you something. The thing
ma'am,
that
it
you are looking
is,
for, you will be gifted. Yeah, Shrestha?
ma'am, magnificent outcome means we have to think it like that, that it should be happen, or after sometimes I'll take it, or good wishes will come to us. It's not about writing, na. I just wrote it down about
No.
magnificent outcome, or the lines which you have told us.
Hmm.
उसके
First,
अलावा
what do you want to see? 3 things I told you to write. 3 things. What do you want to see? Like you want to get admission in some kind of college. You want to, you want that आपका कहीं पे अच्छे से interview हो जाए. You want to get that job. So you have to see that it is already इट हैज ऑलरेडी हैपेंड, वो आपको जॉब मिल गया है, व्हाट इज द आउटकम, वो आपको जॉब मिल गया है, व्हाट इज द आउटकम, आपका एडमिशन हो गया है, व्हाट इज द
Okay.
आउटकम, वो वहां से अच्छे से वापस आ गए हैं, and he is sharing his experience, how was it for me, how was it for him and his friends as well.
तो मैम वी हैव टू फील इट ना, कि ऐसे करके आउटकम करके वी हैव टू फील दैट वट एवर यू
Yes,
आर
you have
सेइंग,
to
थ्री
feel,
थिंग्स अबाउट इट.
you have to sit with all the three desires. It's not like
ओके.
desires, but yeah, what do you want to see, what outcome do you want to see, कि आपको क्या चाहिए लाइफ में. जैसे like
मैम.
if somebody is getting married, okay, after
हाँ.
some time, so that outcome also you can see कि वो thank you for the magnificent outcome for my like beautiful marriage. It happened very nicely, very beautifully. All the rituals, everything was done beautifully. Decoration was done beautifully. Everything was done beautifully. All the rituals happened very nicely, very smoothly. People enjoyed. So, what is the outcome that you want to see? You want to see that magnificent outcome. तो क्या आपने देखना है? So that like you have to write three things, three major things and three like small things as well. कि मेरे वहां पे मैं गई, मेरा एक्सपीरियंस
मैम.
बहुत अच्छा रहा, मुझे लाइन में नहीं लगना पड़ा.
मैम बेसिकली वी हैव टू लिव इन दैट डिजायर व्हाट वी वांट.
Yes, yes. You have to see that. You have to visualize that desire or that thing, that outcome, that
ओके.
magnificent outcome. Because that outcome is magnificent. बहुत अच्छा, जैसा आप चाहते हो. How do you want it to be? How it should be for you? कैसा होना चाहिए? If somebody wants to, get admission somewhere in university, in school, और आपको कुछ टैक्स में कुछ रिफंड चाहिए कि या मेरा टैक्स में रिफंड मेरा आ गया, तो ऐसे यू हैव टू सी, यू हैव टू विजुअलाइज इट इज डन.
मैम एटलीस्ट
Okay,
टू
so
टू
you are
थ्री
looking for
टाइम्स
a
है ना.
car. आपको एक कार खरीदनी है. Okay, so I have already purchased this car. So I am roaming here and there. I am traveling with my family. So that outcome is already done. तो यूनिवर्स का वो तथास्तु उस पे हो गया. So three major things. Three major things, like it could be buying the car, it could be getting admission in the university or college or school, or it should be like getting married as well. Well, whatever it is, क्या आप देखना चाहते हो, right? Okay, 2121, angel number. So welcome once again. Welcome to day number 22. And today's chapter is before your very eyes, before your very eyes. So everything is happening in front of your eyes. So have you ever seen, like let's say you want to buy a car or you have already purchased a car. Okay, so you will start seeing that car on the roads. Does it happen to you? So let's say you are thinking of buying something. Okay, वो उसके पास भी है, उसके पास भी है. So let's say you have purchased a suit for you. Okay, आपने कोई अपना सुंदर सा कोई सूट खरीदा. And you will see it like उसके पास भी ये सूट है, उसके पास भी ये सूट है. Okay, उसने भी ये पहना हुआ, उसने भी ये पहना हुआ. So this is the trend. Like कार के लिए तो बहुत है, बहुत
So,
होता है.
ma'am, but for ladies, it's a matter of stress. कि भाई ये तो इतना कॉमन हो गया.
Yeah, so if it is outdated, you can
Ma'am,
give it to your domestic help as well. Right? So let's say,
the ladies, they start feeling very uncomfortable कि मेरे जैसा किसी और ने भी पहना है. Means I have bought it, thinking that it is really, it is different one. No one
yeah.
will have such
So you
kind
don't
of
judge
suit.
people, na?
But जब
You don't judge people. Otherwise, you also will be judged. Okay, so you have to see like
हाँ,
first,
मैं नहीं
I am the
करती, बट
first
मैंने
one, I
देखा है लेडीज.
purchased. After that, they purchased. After that, they
मुझे कोई
purchased.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है. मैं सोचती हूँ कि ये अच्छा है. मीन्स आई रियली लाइक कि कोई कोई फैमिली में फंक्शन होता है ना. आई रियली लाइक दैट ऑल द फैमिली मेंबर्स वियर सेम काइंड ऑफ सूट्स. इवन
Yes,
हम
yes.
कई बार ये डिसाइड भी करते हैं कि सभी एक जैसा पहनेंगे. बट
Yeah.
सम ऑफ इन आवर फैमिली हैव सम इश्यूज कि नहीं नहीं ऐसा लगेगा कि जैसे स्कूल से आ गए हैं सारे इकट्ठे
Yeah, it
होके.
depends on person to person.
हम्म.
Whenever we
हम्म.
buy the car as well, कि उसके पास भी है, इसके पास भी है. So we notice,
हम्म.
and we will start seeing it everywhere. And some of us are like coaches. So whenever we learn any new words in vocabulary, so we
Hmm.
see like that person is also using this word, that person is also using that word.
Right.
Vocabulary. I'm talking about vocabulary. So does it
True.
happen? Yeah, it happens. Right? So that becomes new normal. Right?
Yeah.
So it happens. So what I'm trying to say is magic is everywhere. Magic is everywhere. So it's not like कि आपने खरीदा. Cars were always there.
Hmm.
Suits were always there. Okay, words were always there. But when did you start seeing those words? When did you start seeing those cars? When did you start seeing those things? When you purchased it and when you thought of purchasing that thing. Then you started seeing. But it doesn't mean it was not there. It was always there.
Ma'am, may I share something?
Yes, yes.
मैम आई स्पीक इन हिंदी. जब मैं
Yeah, yeah, it's
छोटी थी
okay,
ना मैम,
fine.
तो
Go ahead.
दिस इज माय थर्ड कार. तो जब मैं मैम छोटी थी, तो मैं हर समय रात में सोते वक्त, गर्ल्स विल बी लाइक ये फ्रॉक हो, ये वो हो, फलाना हो. मैं क्या सोचती थी, मैं बैटरी वाली साइकिल से चल रही हूँ. मैं रात रात भर यही सोचती थी. मतलब मैं सो जाती थी तो माय मदर विल बी लाइक, चलाओ ना, आगे बढ़ो. मतलब मैं
Hmm.
कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं गाड़ी रोड पे चला रही हूँ. फिर मैंने पैसे जोड़ के एक सेकेंड हैंड 50,000 की मारुति खरीदी 9th स्टैंडर्ड में. मैं उसके
Okay.
सपने देखती थी. उसके बाद
Hmm.
मैंने थोड़ा सा एक हैचबैक के सपने देखे. अब मैम, जब मैं हैचबैक चलाती थी ना, मैं गाना चल रहा है, मैं सपने देखती थी मेरे पास एक्सयूवी होनी चाहिए. सोते वक्त मैम
Hmm.
कंटिन्यूसली मेरे दिमाग में ये होता था, एक्सयूवी चला रहे हैं, गाने बज रहे हैं, बूफर चल रहे हैं, बिल्कुल एक्सयूवी ही चलती थी दिमाग में. मैम,
Hmm.
जैसा एक्सयूवी मैं सोचती थी ना, मतलब मेरी इतनी इमेज नहीं है कि ऐसे तो लोन वोन लोगों को लेना पड़ता है. मैम, रिटर्न
Hmm.
में मतलब मैं वही एक्सयूवी चलाती हूँ आज.
Hmm. See?
थोड़ा टाइम लगता है मैम, बट
Yes.
होता तो है.
होता तो है. Magic
हाँ.
always happens. You just need to
Right.
believe it. If you believe it, you receive it. And the more clearly you can see, the more faster you will be having. जितना आपको क्लैरिटी आती जाएगी, जितना आपको देखोगे उसको उतना क्लियरली, जितना क्लियरली यू कैन विजुअलाइज, so the more faster you will have that in your hand. That thing will be yours. But people say nothing good is happening to me, nothing good is happening to me, nothing good is happening to me. It's like we
True.
are not seeing them. We are not seeing the things. Everything is there before our very eyes. सब कुछ हमारी आंखों के सामने है. So gratitude will give you the power to focus the positivity, focus the positive things. Like
Exactly.
earlier we were focusing the
Hmm.
negative things. So gratitude will change your focus. It will channelize your energy so that you can see that. So right now we are not able to see the magic. But it's not that magic is not happening. Magic is happening. It's there before our very eyes. So gratitude will give you those eyes so that you can see that. Have you seen that महाभारत में जो कृष्णा ने जो आईज दी थी अर्जुन को, otherwise he was not able to see. So Krishna gave that, magical eyes to him so that he could see. So similarly, so if we practice gratitude, we will be able to see. जो अभी जो blinders लगे हुए हमारी eyes में, तो it will be removed with the help of gratitude. So that we can focus on positive things. So what we focus on expands. Right? So stop saying nothing is happening to me. We are not seeing them. Okay, so we do one activity. Okay, so let's say, so you need to close your eyes. I'm giving you 1 minute. So what happened today? What good things? What are the blessings of today? Okay, so something good must have happened today, the whole day, since morning till now. It's been like 9:27 now. So I want you to close your eyes and see for yourself what are the blessings you have seen today. So this is for everyone. Close your eyes for 2 minutes. Everything. Maybe somebody brought, smile on your face. Maybe you ate something that you liked the most. Maybe you enjoyed the tea because it was raining today. So maybe you purchased something good, or it could be anything. Maybe your loved ones reached home safely today. Small things I want you to see today. So these all small things are your blessings. आज क्या अच्छा हुआ? क्या आपने अपने लव्ड वन के साथ अच्छा खाना खाया, बाहर घूमने गए, वट एवर इट कुड बी. Maybe you received a small gift, or you received any good news, कोई छोटी सी भी चीज. You attended a session, you delivered a session beautifully. So everything is beautiful, na? Everything is beautiful. So now open your eyes. Open your eyes. So we have stopped seeing those blessings. That is the thing. Otherwise, since morning till night, hundreds and hundreds of blessings are there. If you start counting each and every blessing na, you will be amazed to see, यार ये भी तो blessing है, ये भी तो blessing है, ये भी तो blessing है. You had a beautiful sleep at night. You woke up in the morning. Maybe you went for the morning walk as well. That is also the blessing. You are awake, you are alive. Your family is with you. You have a beautiful house to live in. You have a good food to eat. You are wearing clothes. You are wearing a lot of jewelry on your body. Everything is miracle. Everything is blessing only. छोटी छोटी एक चाय का कप भी एंजॉय किया. दैट इज ऑल्सो वाओ यार, आई एम टेकिंग टी. देर आर मेनी पीपल हु आर स्लीपिंग ऑन द रोड्स. दे डोंट हैव इवन 10 rupees to take tea. Right? So we are so blessed.
And thank you, ma'am, for making us realize. Today, my mother-in-law, in the breakfast, she cooked some, paneer paranthas for the breakfast. And we were
Okay.
like, मम्मी क्यों आप बना रहे हो पराठा, हमें जाना है, वी आर गेटिंग लेट, आप पराठे बनाने लग गए. हम ऐसे बोल
Hmm.
रहे थे, मैं भी मेरे हस्बैंड भी, हम लेट हो जाएंगे, आप क्यों बना रहे हो. राइट नाउ आई एम थिंकिंग, ओ माय गॉड, उन्होंने इतना वो अपना मतलब ब्लेसिंग्स दी है ना. उनको बड़ा
Hmm.
ऐसे चाह रहता है कि है ना, सब बोलेगी हाँ वाह क्या ब्रेकफास्ट बनाया. माय सन यूज्ड टू मैनी ऑफ द टाइम ही सेड, ਦਾਦੀ
Hmm.
ਆਪ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਪਰਾਂਠਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਨਾ, ਮੈਂ ਕਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਤੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਖਾਦਾ. ਮੀਨਸ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼
Okay.
ਨਾਈਸ gesture. She always want such
Yeah.
kind of gesture, and it was
Hmm.
just a lot of love from her, sir. So
Yeah.
thank
So
you,
the way
ma'am,
you
for
want to be
realizing.
appreciated, so you also have to appreciate people, because what you appreciate appreciates in your life. So gratitude changes your focus so that you can see beautiful things. And the more you will start seeing small things, na, you will be able to attract big things as well. You will be able to attract all your desires as soon as possible. So today Rhonda Byrne will let us know, like, how did she start writing the desire list, and in how much time did she get all the things. Okay, so today she will let us know. So welcome to day 22, before your very eyes. So have you seen any magic show in your childhood like this? So you can see in this picture there is this rabbit cap, this hat, and this magical wand as well. So there is this table. So it doesn't look like you must have seen in your childhood some kind of magic show कि उसकी कैप में से आबरा का डाबरा kind of, right? कभी पिजन निकलता था, कभी रैबिट निकलता था, समथिंग समथिंग दे पीपल डिड, right? So everything was there in front of our eyes, but we couldn't catch it. But it doesn't mean that it was not there. It was always there. Rabbit तो वहीं पे था. Rabbit कोई कैप में से थोड़ी निकला. But we were not able to see that. Pigeons were there. But it is like we were not able to see those magic. But it's not like it was not there. It was always there. Magic was always there. So see, magic is happening because magic is there. Okay, so that we are going to learn today. So this world, after all our science and sciences, is still a miracle. कितनी भी साइंस हो, इट्स नॉट लाइक कि साइंस ही सब कुछ है, कि मिरेकल्स नहीं है, लॉजिक ही सब कुछ है, मैजिक कुछ नहीं है. नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. साइंस इज साइंस, मैजिक इज मैजिक. द वे साइंस इज देयर, मैजिक इज ऑल्सो देयर, miracles are also there. So this world, after all our science and sciences, is still a miracle. Wonderful, inscrutable, magical, more to whosoever will think of it. Okay, let me open in the book as well, because there may be some words. Yes. So see, science means what? Science means all the inventions and discoveries, right? So it will always be there. But miracle is also there. Miracles are there, which are wonderful, inscrutable, magical, more to whosoever will think of. हमारे जितना हम सोच नहीं सकते उससे परे, our knowledge से परे, that we cannot think of. We are unable to understand. Inscrutable, we are unable to understand that kind of magic. But magic is always there. We cannot even think of. Who said? Thomas Carlyle. Okay. So writer and historian. 7 years ago, so today Rhonda will be telling her story. So what happened exactly in her life? So 7 years ago, when I first discovered the secret and the magical power of gratitude, I made a list of all of my desires. The way we wrote the desires, 10 desires. Do you remember? It was a long list. At that time, there seemed to be no possible way my desires could come true. When she wrote all the desires, at that time that seemed to be no possible. कोई वो था ही नहीं कि उसकी कैसी, क्योंकि उसने बहुत बड़ी बड़ी मतलब डिजायर्स लिखी थी कि जैसे घर होना चाहिए सी पे. सो वी कांट तो इवन थिंक ऑफ कि सी पे कैसे हमारा घर होगा, कि पूरा वो वहां पे समुद्र है, बट उसने ऐसी ऐसी बड़ी बड़ी वो उसने डिजायर्स लिखी थी. So at that time, there seemed to be no possible way. कोई way ही नहीं है my desires could come true. Nevertheless, I took my top 10 desires and I carried them with me on a piece of paper every day. So see how much practices she did that time. She always carried the piece of paper where she wrote the desires, all 10 desires, every day. Every day she was keeping all those desires with her. Wherever she was going, in her purse, in her pocket, wherever she could keep it, everywhere. Whenever I had an opportunity, I would take out my list and read through it, giving as much gratitude for each desire as I could, as though I had received it. जैसे कि मेरी each and every desire is fulfilled. Are we doing that kind of practices? So where is your desire list? Are you keeping it with you everywhere, wherever you are going? So that much practices she had done that time. So she is telling, so how you can fulfill all your desires as soon as possible, right? So you have to keep it wherever you are. So today we will be writing all those desires which we wrote. Okay, so earlier. So we'll be writing all those desires one more time, but this time on a piece of paper so that we can keep it with us, right? So whenever I had an opportunity, I would take out my list and read through it, giving as much gratitude for each desire as I could, as though I had received it. With my number one desire, the desire I wanted more than anything else, I kept it constantly in my mind, and I would say the magic word thank you for it multiple times in a day and feel as if it had come true, one by one. So for the very first desire, so we all have one desire that we have kept at the top, so which is on the priority. So what we have to do? So multiple times, constantly in her mind, she could feel that gratitude multiple times in a day, constantly in her mind. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Multiple times. As if it is done, as if it is done. One by one, every desire on my list magically appeared before my very eyes. So one by one, all the desires were fulfilled. All the desires magically appeared before her very eyes. As I received my desires, I would cross them off my list, and when I had new desires, I would add them to my list. So 10 desires. So whenever, like one by one, all the desires are fulfilling. Okay, so those desires which are fulfilled, so we have to, don't cut, you just make them star. You just make the stars over that desire. So this is fulfilled, this is fulfilled. And feel grateful. Wow, this happened. This is done. Okay, and add more. उसको बढ़ाते जाओ जितना हो गया. So let's say you have written कि I want to make 10,000 rupees this month. वो हो गया 10,000, तो it's very small. Okay, so वो हो गया, तो now this is done. So make stars. So now add another desire. So if you this month also want to make 10,000 rupees, add that desire, because your first one is fulfilled. You can make it 15, you can make it 20 as well. Right? But always write 10 desire. जो होता जाए उसको उस पे स्टार बनाते जाओ या स्माइली बनाते जाओ, whatever it is. Okay, so it is for you to make you happy. Yes, this is done. This is done. One of my desires from my original long list was to travel to Bora Bora near Tahiti. So there is this place Bora Bora. She wanted to travel. So that was her 10th desire, जो उसने अपने 10th पे लिखी थी. She also wrote 10 desires. Okay. So one of my desires from my original long list was to travel Bora Bora near Tahiti. After spending a beautiful week at the exact place in Bora Bora I had listed, another beautiful thing happened. तो उसने वो बोरा बोरा प्लेस पे उसने पूरा 1 week she spent a beautiful day on that place, Bora Bora, and she enjoyed a lot there in Bora Bora place. So that was fulfilled. And after that, another beautiful thing happened when she was coming back to home. So I was flying to the mainland to Tahiti on my way home when the airplane stopped en route to pick up passengers. The flight had been empty, but it filled to brim with native Tahitians, and suddenly laughter, smiling faces, and a happiness that was palpable surrounded me. So what does it mean? So she wanted to travel a place which is Bora Bora near Tahiti. Okay, so after spending good time there for complete 1 week, so she was going back to her home. So at one place, some emergency happened or something happened, and they had to land the flight. Okay, earlier the flight was empty, very like less people were there, and the airplane was landed at one place, and some more people, okay, boarded that plane. Okay, and they people faced something like very bad, or something happened with them. So they people came into that flight, and now the flight was full, and it was filled to the brim. वो पूरी भर गई flight. And everywhere laughter was there, smiling faces were there, because they people were saved. Something happened with them, और वो लोग वहां से बच गए थे. So they people were very happy because they were going back to their place. पहले when she was there in the plane, so the plane was empty, and some more people came into that flight because the plane had to land because of some emergency. Okay, some more people came, and everywhere there were, कुछ जैसे एक्सीडेंट हो गया, so we are safe, so we are so happy, यार हम लोग बच गए. जैसे सुनामी आ गया, जो लोग बच गए थे, और जो प्लेन क्रैश हुआ था, जो लोग बच गए थे, those who missed their flight, so the people were so happy. So we didn't board that flight, otherwise we could die, right? So the people were so happy, full of laughter, smiling faces, and she was also becoming so happy कि wow यार कितना अच्छा experience है flight का. Like I can see everywhere people are laughing, enjoying, they are full of happiness, smiling faces. उसका experience flight का, it was like magical for her. Otherwise वो empty सा वो plane था, she was not enjoying. So as I enjoyed the short flight with these beautiful people, it became crystal clear to me the reason why they were so happy. Why were they so happy? Because they were grateful. They were grateful. They were grateful to be alive because they were alive. Something happened. They could die, but they were alive. So that's why they were so happy. They were grateful to be on the airplane. They were grateful to be with each other. They were grateful for where they were going. They were grateful for everything. क्योंकि रोशनी का उसी को मजा आता है जिसने अंधेरा देखा हो. जिसने अंधेरा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया, उसको रोशनी कहां से मजा आएगा? If we don't experience that darkness, we are not going to enjoy that light. We only enjoy the light if we have seen the darkness in our life. Those people can only enjoy the health, those who have seen some kind of problem or challenges in their health. So they can understand the feeling, the joy, the happiness, the smiling faces. So I could have stayed on that plane and traveled around the world with them. It felt so good to be with them. And then it struck me that I had just received my final desire. So my final desire, traveling to that Bora Bora, was the last desire on my original long list. And the reason I was on that plane was before my very eyes. So gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. So her last desire, जो उसकी 10th desire थी, she wanted to travel Bora Bora. It was fulfilled. So earlier तो she also didn't know about that gratitude. पहले उसको भी नहीं पता था gratitude का. So that's why it took 3 to 4 hours to complete all the desires. So now तो like each and everything is tried and tested. So that's why she wrote that book. So that we can get the result very soon, as fast as possible. We'll be getting the result. She will be telling you. So how was it for her? Like how much time did it take for all the desires? So I have shared this story as an inspiration for you, because no matter how big your desires seem to be, you can receive them through gratitude. It doesn't matter how big is your desire. जैसे उसकी बहुत बड़ी बड़ी डिजायर थी, she will let you know. Even more than that, gratitude will bring a joy and happiness for life that you have ever felt before, and that is truly priceless. Truly priceless. From the time I began using gratitude and the law of attraction to the time I received my final desire on my original list was 4 years. 4 years. So it took her 4 years to complete all the desires. Because uski desires kaisi thi to, so she will give you the things like what she was looking for, what were her desires. To give you an idea of the enormousness of receiving all my desires in that amount of time, when I created my desire list, my company was $2 million in debt. उसके पास 2 million कितना होता है, नियर अबाउट 15 to 20 करोड़. उसके पास 15 to 20 करोड़ का उसका डेट था उसके ऊपर. 15 to 20 करोड़ का, कितने कितने ईयर्स पहले की बात है. $2 million इज नियर अबाउट 15 to 20 करोड़. शी वॉज इन डेट. उसके पास इतना उसके ऊपर डेट था. एंड आई हैड 2 months बिफोर आई वुड बी फोर्स टू शट इट डाउन. उसके पास सिर्फ 2 महीने थे, सिर्फ 2 महीने. राइट. एंड वुड लूज माई होम एंड एवरीथिंग आई ओन. जो भी मेरे पास था वो सब मुझसे चला जाने वाला था, सब उसके पास से चला जाने वाला, बिकॉज शी वॉज इन डेट ऑफ 20 करोड़. जिस इंसान के पास इतना डेट हो, कैन यू इमेजिन व्हाट कुड बी द सिचुएशन ऑफ दैट पर्सन जिसके ऊपर इतना डेट हो. व्हाट वुड बी द एनर्जी. एनर्जी वुड बी ऑफ डेस्पिरेशन. हाय हाय, मैं क्या करूं क्या करूं क्या करूं. सो डू यू हैव एनी डेट? No, we don't have any debt, right? So is there anyone? Do you have any debt? No one, no one. So we people are so blessed. इतना 20 करोड़ का डेट होने के बाद भी उसने सारी चीजें, उसकी 4 years में उसने डेट भी चुका दिया और उसने वो घर भी ले लिया. And so many desires, all her desires were fulfilled up to 10th desire, all the desires. Okay, so the money I owned on my personal credit cards was a small fortune, and yet on my desire list was to own a big house overlooking the ocean. So see, uski ek desire kya thi? She wanted to own a big house overlooking the ocean. जहां से समुद्र दिखाई दे, overlooking the ocean. समुद्र के किनारे उसको एक बड़ा घर चाहिए. Have you seen the house of Tony Robbins? I hope you all know Tony Robbins. Who is Tony Robbins? इज अ वेरी फेमस पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट कोच. टोनी रॉबिन्स का घर देखा है? वाह यार, इट्स ब्यूटीफुल. देखना होगा यूट्यूब पे कोई वीडियो उसका ना, टोनी रॉबिन्स का घर देखना. एंड हाउ ही वाज.
And he is very short and that we call that
ही इज नॉट शॉर्ट, ही इज वेरी टॉल.
tall.
या ही इज वेरी टॉल. हैव यू सीन टोनी रॉबिन्स? कितना बल्की और कितना, ही इज वेरी टॉल.
So आप किसके
You know,
बारे में बात कर रहे
when he
हैं?
was very small, so her mother used to abuse him. You know, उसकी story, if you can search, so you have to search his story, Tony Robbins की story. So he left his house. His mother used to beat him every single day. Used to abuse him. उसको खाना नहीं देती थी. That kind of life he used to live. And he left his house. Or he wanted to attend a program, and that coach also said भाग जा यहाँ से. Kind of like something like in his story. Because the course fee was very high. He wanted to do the course, and the coach said, no, you bring that money, then only you will be like you can attend my sessions. And he went to the bank, and bank also denied. Bank said you are under 18, so we cannot give you the loan as well. Because लोन भी ऐसे नहीं मिलता था. You have to कुछ आपको प्रॉपर्टी या कुछ पेपर्स वगैरह रखने पड़े, then only you get the loan. So I'm talking about many many years ago. अभी तो I think he's 60 plus, 60 or 70 का उसका मतलब जो एज है अभी. I don't
66
remember.
years.
66, yeah, 66 years na, yeah. So he's very energetic, very enthusiastic, the way he speaks. And see one movie of him, and that is I'm Not Your Guru. Beautiful movie. Beautiful, very nice movie. I'm Not Your Guru. I have seen that movie 3 to 4 times. The more I see, the more I become emotional. Like, it's very beautiful movie. I'm Not Your Guru by Tony Robbins. That is a documentary, and you will love it. जैसे वो सीक्रेट मूवी डॉक्यूमेंट्री है ना, the same way, like I'm Not Your Guru, that is also documentary. So what he was and what he has become today. बिल्कुल जीरो से, स्क्रैच से स्टार्ट करके. एंड हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो ओपरा विनफ्रे? उसकी भी स्टोरी सर्च करना, ओपरा विनफ्रे. And she was raped by her loved ones many times when she was only 14 15 years of age. And what she has created in her life. Oprah Winfrey. Okay, so homework for today, search for Tony Robbins and Oprah Winfrey ki story, and they, how they people started with the scratch and what they people have become and what they people have created in their life. Oprah Winfrey and Tony Robbins. Okay, yes. So how did we go to Tony Robbins and Oprah Winfrey? Why are we talking?
Because how to start our
Okay.
journey if we are thinking about. So we are so blessed that we have
Yes,
so many things in our life.
yes.
So if we really want to, like, ma'am, I also want to tell you that whenever Ishita or we all are like, having complaint about our members of our family. So I used to, uh, we never want to compare ourselves to others because we all are unique. But whenever we want to see blessings in our life, so we have to compare ourselves with others. Like,
Yes.
if any bad thing happened to us, so what we feel like that. So many things are there. So we have to, if we really want to see blessings in our life, so we have to compare lower than us people like that. So then only we can realize how blessed we are.
Blessed we are. Yes. So that's why we did that activity as well by closing our eyes. So that's why I told you to do that so that we can see the blessing even in small, small things. कितनी blessing है. If you will start writing ना since morning till night, मतलब आपके वो इंक खत्म हो जाएगी पेन की इंक खत्म हो जाएगी, पेपर खत्म हो जाएगा, पूरी नोटबुक खत्म हो जाएगी, भर जाएगी. Then only then after that also you will be you will keep writing, because we people are so blessed. चाय बनाने के लिए भी दूध लगा, पत्ती लगी, चीनी लगी. आज मैंने पुलाव बनाए तो मटर थे, गाजर थी, कैप्सिकम थी, राइस थी, तेल था, नमक थी, मिर्ची थी, हल्दी थी. Like if you will start writing for each and everything I am talking about, क्यों पूरी इंक, पूरा पेपर्स, everything will get over. But your hands will not stop and you will keep counting your blessings, keep counting your blessings.
And moreover, ma'am, for the whole life, we are just wishing that है ना, वो हो जाता तो कितना अच्छा होता, ये
Yes.
हो जाता तो कितना अच्छा होता.
वही
But
कल
now
वाला
we get
चैप्टर.
the clarity कि जब
Yes.
to do list बनानी
Yeah.
है ना, then we are not getting actually कि क्या वो desire थी जो अभी तक मिली ही नहीं है हमें.
Yes. ऐसा लगता है सब कुछ तो मिल गया,
सब
सब
कुछ
कुछ
तो
तो
है.
मिल गया. It happens with me as well, यार, सब कुछ तो मिल गया. Because these are the 3 basic necessity, that is like रोटी कपड़ा और मकान. बेसिक. So वो है तो मुझे लगता है सब कुछ है यार, सब कुछ है. पहले लगता था
Means
ये भी हो, वो भी हो, वो भी हो. सो आफ्टर डूइंग दिस प्रैक्टिसेस, सो आई गॉट टू नो यार, एक रोटी कपड़ा मकान भी मिल जाए ना, वी पीपल आर सो ब्लेस्ड. Because there are many poor people, those who are sleeping on the roads. So when I look at them, so I always give them magic dust. Sprinkle on them magic dust always, and you will see, you will attract people, situation, and things into your life. Positive people,
And
positive
मुझे
situation,
लगता है
positive
कि
things.
और जो
मुझे
मनी
लगता
का
है कि
कॉन्सेप्ट
लाइफ
है ना,
में सबका सिचुएशन बोलिए।
हम्म।
Yes, Kulvinder, you
Yeah,
said.
one by
हाँ,
one.
जो मनी मनी का कॉन्सेप्ट है ना, मेरे ख्याल से ये एक्चुअल में ये कंडीशनिंग चेंज होनी चाहिए। एटलीस्ट वी शुड गिव द प्रॉपर नॉलेज टू अवर किड्स। क्योंकि
Hmm.
मनी का मैम ऐसे है कि जितना हमारे पास है हम सोचते हैं कि और आता जाए और आता जाए और आता जाए, rather than
Hmm.
the gratitude you have told us कि हाँ, जब इसको हम कहीं पे इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं या खर्च कर रहे हैं तो
Hmm.
ग्रेटफुल होइए कि हाँ, थैंक यू सो मच गॉड, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस मनी आई एम एबल टू बाय एनी फैसिलिटी, और अपने लिए कोई चीज लेने के लिए मैं उसको यूज कर पा रहा हूँ, सो
Yes.
थैंक यू सो मच, है ना। पहले क्या होता था, जब मैं वो करती थी ना, मतलब अगर मैंने कैश निकाल के दिन, तो मुझे होता था ओ माय गॉड इतना खर्चा हो गया, यहाँ भी
Hmm.
खर्चा हो गया, वहां भी खर्चा हो गया। मीन्स
Hmm.
Nowadays आई एम थिंकिंग ओ माय गॉड, ये मनी है तभी तो हम कोई फैसिलिटी कोई सर्विस को हम यूज कर पा रहे हैं, अदरवाइज क्या ही कर पाते हैं। सो नाउ
Hmm.
एक्चुअली वी हैव टू चेंज आवर माइंडसेट फॉर मनी।
Yes. Exactly. Right. Right.
क्योंकि वो
तो जब
जितना
भी
चाहे
पैसा जा रहा है
ज्यादा
इट्स
हो
ओके
मैम।
फाइन, बिल्कुल खुश होके ब्लेसिंग्स के साथ यू
हम्म।
गो ग्रो मल्टीप्लाई एंड कम बैक, यू गो ग्रो मल्टीप्लाई एंड कम बैक,
क्योंकि
एंड इट विल कम बैक.
अगर हमारे पास 1 करोड़ भी हो जाए ना, हम
Hmm.
सोचेंगे कि 2 करोड़ कर ले, 3 करोड़ कर
Yes.
ले, 4 करोड़, 10 करोड़ कर ले।
And you will be in that
अगर
loop, and you will never
हाँ
ever be able to come out of that loop.
हाँ, तो वो स्ट्रेस कितना होगा, है ना, कि यहाँ पे लग गया वहां। इससे अच्छा है कि मीन्स अच्छे से उसके लिए ग्रेटिट्यूड फील
Hmm.
करे वट एवर वी हैव। ओके,
Hmm.
जाना तो है एनी हाउ, है ना, वी हैव
Hmm.
टू स्पेंड दैट
You know,
मनी।
I remember a story. Sorry to stop you, Kulvinder. Yeah, I'll come
नो
to
इट्स
Ishita
ओके
as
मैम, आई
well.
जस्ट
Yeah, you know, there was a farmer and he was very happy. बिल्कुल सुकून की जिंदगी. He was very happy. His wife was very happy. His kids were very happy. He was living a very peaceful, calm, beautiful life, right? And one day, what happened? So there was a king, and he was going. He was passing by. Okay, and he kept a 99 कॉइन वाला जो है बैग, 99 कॉइन वाला बैग उसके पिलो के पास one day. Okay, so he told his manager to keep that. Okay, so how somebody could be so happy? So he was passing by his garden or whatever land he had. So he was passing by, and his manager was also with him. So king said, how could somebody be so happy? मतलब इतना peacefully, इतना calm. सो उसने क्या बोला, इस मैनेजर को बोला 99 कॉइन का एक जो बैग है ना वो इसके पिलो के पास रख दो. ओके, तो उसने वो मॉर्निंग में उठा, वो देखा कि 99 कॉइन, 99 कॉइन वाला. ही टोल्ड समबडी, ओके सो आई गॉट दिस 99 वाला 99 कॉइन का बैग. सो दैट पर्सन टोल्ड हिम, ओके यार 100 होते ना कितना मजा हो जाता, पूरा राउंड फिगर वो हो जाता. और फ्रॉम दैट डे हिज लाइफ बिकेम द हेल्प. वो एक कॉइन उसको बनाने के चक्कर में उसने इतनी मेहनत की, इतने उसके घर में पूरा वो कलेश शुरू हो गया, अपनी वाइफ को भी डांटना, बच्चों को भी डांटना, सब डांटना. मतलब दिस इज द लूप. सो जितना हो देन वी स्टार्ट, वो हो जाता है कि और होता, जितना हो उतना कम है, जितना हो उतना कम है, जितना हो उतना कम है. बट वी हैव टू कम आउट ऑफ दिस. देर इज दिस संस्कृत का श्लोक, आई टेल इट टू माई हस्बैंड एज वेल. मैंने कहा जितना अभी हमने कर लिया ना, दैट इज मोर देन इनफ, मोर देन इनफ. तो वो संस्कृत का था, पूत कपूत तो काधन संचय, पूत सपूत तो काधन संचय. मतलब पूत
राइट।
कपूत, अगर आपका पुत्र जो आपका बेटा है वो कपूत है, वो किसी काम का नहीं है, तो उसके लिए क्या धन
ओके,
कमाना, वो तो उसने वैसे भी
राइट।
वेस्ट कर देना है. ओके, एंड पूत सपूत तो काधन संचय. अगर आपका बेटा
सब
इतना
पूछते
अच्छा
तो
है,
फिर क्यों कमाना।
हाँ तो फिर क्यों कमाना, वो तो अपने आप ही बना लेगा. एंड एग्जैक्टली आई एम फॉलोइंग द सेम थिंग. we both are making money for the kids education only, not for their future. कि उनको अच्छे से एजुकेशन मिल जाए, बिकॉज ही वॉन्ट्स टू गो आउटसाइड, ही वॉन्ट्स टू गो, मतलब उसको जर्मनी जाना है. ही ऑलवेज से कि मम्मा आई हैव टू गो जर्मनी. सो वी आर मेकिंग मनी सो दैट वी कैन सेंड हिम टू दैट, कि उसके एजुकेशन में कोई कमी ना आए, दैट्स इट. अदरवाइज वो हाउस है, सब कुछ है, मतलब वी आर डन, वी आर डन. वो उस लूप में नहीं फंसना है.
राइट मैम।
कि किसके लिए वो सब यहीं पे छोड़ के जाना है. देर वॉज अ स्टेटमेंट, somebody was telling कि हम लोग क्यों कमा रहे हैं, why are we earning a lot of money, why are we in that loop, so that in our old, when we become old, when we grow older, so we can give all the money to the doctors.
Yes.
All the money will go to the doctors only. ये दर्द, वो दर्द, ये बीमारी, ये चीज, वो चीज, वो चीज, सो दैट इट्स बेटर यू इन्वेस्ट ऑन योर ओन एजुकेशन. सो कितना दिल वो होता है ना कि मतलब वी डोंट स्पेंड ऑन आवर ओन सेल्फ. क्या फर्क पड़ेगा अगर हम कल को मरते हैं तो 2-4 लाख 5 लाख कम हो जाएगा हमारे पास. So when I understood this concept, now I started learning. I became the student again. So that's why I'm investing on myself. Now I don't think, oh, कितने का भी कोई लाखों का प्रोग्राम है, I said, okay, yeah, I have to buy this. I have to buy this. Because if it is giving value, if it is changing my life. So in last 1 year, I have learned a lot. I changed completely my mindset. मुझे किसके लिए छोड़ के जाना है इतना सारा. इफ आई एम नॉट हैप्पी, इफ आई कांट मेक माई रिलेशनशिप बेटर, रिलेशनशिप में किटर पिटर किच पिच चल रहा है. व्हेन आई लर्न ऑल द थिंग, देन ओनली आई वाज एबल टू मेक माई रिलेशनशिप ब्यूटीफुल विद एवरीवन, विद माई लव्ड वन, विद माई रिलेटिव्स, विद माई हस्बैंड. अदरवाइज क्या था? इफ आई हैड नॉट लर्न, आई वुड हैव नॉट मेड माई लाइफ ब्यूटीफुल. Okay, so that's why invest on yourself. Self investment will always give you the best ROI. So never ever think of कि आपको कभी भी अपने उसके लिए कि नहीं यार मैं नहीं कर सकती या नहीं कर सकती. हाउ कैन आई स्पेंड ऑन माई सेल्फ? बच्चों के ऊपर यार 50 लाख रुपए लग रहा है उसके इंजीनियरिंग के ऊपर. क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है 4-5 लाख रुपए अपने ऊपर लगा दे? उनके ऊपर लगा सकते हैं और ये भी नहीं पता कि बुढ़ापे में कोई सेवा करने वाला है या नहीं करने वाला. सो दैट इज द मेंटेलिटी ऑफ आर्स ना, कि हम क्यों लगाते हैं बच्चों के ऊपर. वाई डू वी स्पेंड? सो दैट मतलब वो करे. बट वी डोंट हैव टू हैव दैट एक्सपेक्टेशन. तो आई तो डोंट लाइक कीप दैट एक्सपेक्टेशन. सो लिव देयर ओन लाइफ. सो लाइक वी आर डन. हमारे पास अपने लिए मतलब बहुत है. So never ever have that expectation. But that is a mindset that we have heard from our parents, because those are the beliefs only we have been carrying from last many years.
कि
Okay, guys,
संभाल
it's
के
10.
रखो.
Yeah, Ishita, let me listen to Ishita. Yeah, Ishita. So then we'll go to the chapters 10 now.
I
Yes,
just
Ishita.
want to say one thing कि लाइफ में सिचुएशन आती रहेगी, इसे हम हंसते हुए गुजारे या रोते रोते गुजारे, डिपेंड ऑन अस. सो
Yes.
ग्रेटिट्यूड कुछ पाने के लिए नहीं करना है कि हाँ सच में ग्रेटिट्यूड फील करना है, क्योंकि इतनी इतनी सारी चीजें हैं हमारे पास ग्रेटिट्यूड
Yes.
करने के लिए, लेने के लिए नहीं, सिर्फ मतलब यही फील करने के लिए ही बहुत ज्यादा है. ऐसा
Yes.
नहीं है कि मुझे चाहिए इसीलिए ग्रेटिट्यूड दे रही हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है.
बिल्कुल. वेरी वेरी वेल सेड इशिता. आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ यू कि मतलब कुछ लेने के लिए नहीं. यस, वी हैव टू बी ग्रेटफुल. वी ऑलरेडी हैव सो मेनी थिंग्स. उसके लिए भी जिंदगी भर ग्रेटिट्यूड होते रहे ना, दैट इज इनफ. इतना है हमारे पास. गंजे को देख लो जिसके सिर पे बाल नहीं है. हमारे सिर पे बहुत सारे बाल है. तो बी ग्रेटफुल. तो उसी के लिए ग्रेटफुल होके ही पूरी लाइफ निकल जाएगी. वाह. ओके गाइस, so where we were, yes, okay, so we were reading The Desires of Rhonda Byrne. So the money I owned on my personal credit cards was a small fortune. उसके बाद थोड़ा सा मनी था जिससे उसकी लाइफ चल रही थी. And yet on my desire list was to own a big house overlooking the ocean. First desire. Second, to travel to exotic places in the world. पूरा वर्ल्ड घूमना चाहती थी. exotic places पे जाना चाहती थी. Second desire. थर्ड, टू हैव पेड ऑल माई डेट. जो भी उसका डेट था 20 करोड़ का, वो उसको क्लियर करना था. टू एक्सपेंड माई कंपनी. उसको अपनी कंपनी बड़ी बनानी थी. फोर्थ, टू रिस्टोर एवरी रिलेशनशिप टू द बेस्ट इट कुड बी. उसको अपने सारे रिलेशनशिप ब्यूटीफुल बनाने थे. इंप्रूव द क्वालिटी ऑफ माई फैमिलीज लाइफ. अपनी फैमिली की लाइफ उसको इंप्रूव करनी थी. टू बी 100% हेल्दी अगेन. उसको हेल्दी होना था. एनर्जेटिक, फिट, स्ट्रांग बॉडी. ओके, सो उसको पूरा अच्छे से उसको हेल्दी होना था. एंड हैव अनलिमिटेड एनर्जी एंड एक्साइटमेंट फॉर लाइफ. ये भी उसकी डिजायर थी. अनलिमिटेड एनर्जी एंड एक्साइटमेंट, हैप्पीनेस फॉर लाइफ, along with the usual list of material things. और उसको सारी material things भी चाहिए थी. ऑल द गैजेट्स, अप्लायंसेस, घर में जो भी मतलब वो पूरी सुख सुविधा, मटेरियल थिंग्स जो भी होती हैं, ऑल द लग्जरी शी वांटेड. शी रोट ऑल द थिंग्स. दीज आर हर डिजायर्स. एंड माई नंबर वन डिजायर, उसकी फर्स्ट डिजायर एट द टॉप, द प्रायोरिटी की क्या थी, विच सीम्ड लाइक एन एब्सोल्युटली impossibility to many of people around me, was to bring joy to millions of people through my work. अपने वर्क से bring joy to millions of people. She wanted to bring happiness. She wanted to bring joy, happiness to millions of people's face. Now she is doing the same. उसकी बुक्स आज कितने लोग पढ़ रहे हैं? कितने लोग, millions and billions of people are reading her books and they are improving their lives. Her first desire is fulfilled. The very first desire that I received was bringing joy to billions of people through my work. क्या work था उसका? She was a writer. She was writing the books. And these books changed millions of people, brought joy, happiness into their lives. The rest of my desires magically followed. जो उसकी first पूरी होगी, one after another, all the desires magically followed. And one by one, as they appeared before my very eyes, I crossed them off my list. मैंने सारी एक एक करके मैं क्रॉस करती गई. So now it's your turn to use gratitude's magical power to make your desires appear before your very eyes. At the start of the day, take your top 10 desire list that you created. Read through each sentence and desire on your list. And for 1 minute, imagine or visualize that you have received your desire and feel as much gratitude as you can, as if you have it now. So today we'll be writing, one more time we'll be making the list of 10 desires. Okay, but this time on the piece of paper. On the paper, not in the book, because book to we cannot carry every time, na? So we cannot keep the whole book and like feel grateful. So better we keep it on a paper, and wherever we go, in our pocket or in our wallet, in our purse, everywhere we can keep it. It would be very easy for us. So carry your desire list with you today in your pocket on at least 2 occasions in the day. Take out your list, read through it, and feel as much gratitude for each one as you can, as though you have received it. The way we do for money, जैसे वो आपका money, जो आपका डॉलर का जो नोट है, like this. So we do na. So similarly we have to do for this. If you want your desires to come more quickly, I would highly recommend that you carry your desire list with you in your wallet or purse from this day forward. आज से. And whenever you have time, open it up, read through it, and feel as much gratitude as you can for each one. When your desires appear before your very eyes, cross them off your list and add more. And if you are like me, each time you cross a desire off your list, you will be in tears of joy, because what seemed impossible was made possible through the magical power of gratitude. Right? So with the help of gratitude, all the things, whatever you have written in your desire list, everything will unfold for you magically with the power of gratitude. So magic practice number 22. Before your very eyes, count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, and thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessings as you can. As the start of the day, take your top 10 desire list that you created. Okay, so 10 desires we have to write, and we have to take out the list. Read through each sentence and desire on your list, and for 1 minute, imagine or visualize that you have received your desire. Feel as much gratitude as you can. Carry your desire list with you today in your pocket on at least 2 occasions in the day. Take out your list, read through it, and feel as much gratitude as you can. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic frog in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Got it, everyone? Understood what we have to do today? Okay, so again, we will be making the list of 10 desires. So you have to make the same list. Okay, so take out your list and you have to make the same list, whatever you made, okay, 3-4 days back. I think it was day number 15. So you have to please check it out. Okay, so let me check as well.
Can we make some changes in
If
that
it is
list, ma'am?
done, if your desire is done, if it is fulfilled, so that you no need to write. And yes, you can change as well. You can change as well. But how do we write? So it's not the way we write count your blessings. So what is the criteria for writing count your blessings? I am grateful. I am super duper grateful. I am so grateful. I am truly grateful. But what is the criteria? what is the statement? How do we write thank you, thank you, thank you? Because we have to write as if it is done. Okay. So we start with thank you, and thank you, right? So take out the list. We made the list on 24th, Friday, desire list.
Yes.
Okay, so you can take it out. Okay, so let me stop recording.